Dit is vir In die Bos baie belangrik en lekker om gasheer te wees vir die land se eerste nasionale handwerkkunskompetisie.
This year we had more than 1,000 entries. We've shifted away from an older generation of traditional craft. We have a lot of young participants that are showing a combination between design and craft as well.
In die eerste jaar het ons ongeveer 800 inskrywings ontvang en vanjaar meer as 1000.
We have a mixture of artists this year spreading right across the country, both black and white, both traditional and contemporary pieces. The third prize winner is Nick Satole and tied with Stefan Skuman. Nick Satole has a beautiful rendition of a traditional Zulu pot, and Stefan Skuman has a very, very contemporary rendition of a fruit bowl. The second prize winner is Pumlani Nwayo, and he created two beautiful bulls which he created out of clay and pit-fired. The first prize winner tonight is the Karos Embroidery Group from Zanin. They're a group of embroiderers and an artist that renders the piece and they embroider into the work.
Ons glo dat hierdie platform wat ons skep vir handwerkkuns, wat eintlik die siel van 'n nasie weerspieël, nog groot hoogtes gaan bereik en 'n baie belangrike datum op die kunskalender van Suid-Afrika gaan wees.
Dis In die Bos. Dis hoe ons rol.